Welcome back, guys. At the end of this video, you should know how to construct a triangle ABC when giving the base, when giving the base angle and the altitude. The base angle are the angles that are formed at the base of the triangle, and the altitude speaks to the height of the triangle. In this case, let our base angles are 60 and 45, and our altitude is 70. So the first step is to draw or establish our horizontal line. Use random length for now. Next step is to offset this to 70, which is the height of our triangle. So offset over offset, enter. Enter 70 for the offset distance, 70, enter. And the 70 is the height of our triangle. Left click here, there, that is 70. I want to move this, click here, click that M for move, enter. Left click here, drag down, escape. Now that I've done that, our next step is to draw our first angle from here, for our first base angle. Our base angles are 60 degrees and 45. So my next step is to draw a line from this point at 60 degrees. So I drag this out, press tab key, type 60, enter, escape. So this is our 60-degree point, 60-degree line. Our next step is to draw our 45-degree. And for this, what I'll be doing, I will be drawing a line at 45 internal angle with an internal angle of 45 degrees. It means therefore that we need to subtract 45 from 180. We are left with 135. So this line must be drawn at an angle of 135 degrees. Spacebar to reactivate line. Left click here to start. Drag this a distance. Then press the tab key. Then enter 100, 135. Enter. Yep. So now that we have drawn this, next step is to bring this up, move this, M for move, M, enter. Bring this up to that. Now, to complete this, we need to use fillet or extend these lines. So F for fillet, enter. Use a fillet radius, check the radius to ensure that it is 0, or fillet radius is 0, so we click enter to accept that. I then touch this line and touch that line. Don't want to extend. You'll find this, guys, that there are instances when the software will malfunction. Alright, like in this case, it is malfunctioning. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll pull this out. Yes, you will find out that the software will not perform basic functions. Turn off author mode and extend this down. I could have chosen extend to solve that problem as well. And that is it. TR, enter, enter. Left click there, left click there. Could clean this up, this part as well. So this triangle is now drawn at specific height and specific altitude and specific angles. To check that, I'm gonna dimension this up. Angle, left click here, left click there. that is 60 degrees. Space bar to reactivate. Left click here, left click there. The next step is dimension or height. Left click here, go to linear, click here, and click there. That is now drawn. Our final step is to change these to our outline layer. So highlight them first, then go to my outline. And that is it. A triangle that is drawn to specific height and specific base angle. Guys, remember to like and subscribe, do share, alright, and don't be afraid to leave your comments, alright? Peace out.